Hello everyone, HAW Trainspotting here. Today I'm at Winchfield. I'm going to get the train up to Basingstoke and also I'm going to go to the cinema. And yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go! We're going into the movie theatre to see the Mario Bros movie. Let's go. Okay, just left the theatre, and you know what? Star Fox was the best bit about this movie. Nintendo, please make a Star Fox movie. Okay, so I'm back in Basingstoke. What the plan is I'm going to go up to Winchfield because the Britannic Explorer is coming through, and hopefully there we should get some tones. All right, let's go. Train should be here in any second now. Alright, okay, we've made it to Winchfield. Now our only objective is to see the Britannic Explorer. everyone, there we have it. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, because it means a lot to me. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.